So thank you for that definition. So one of the ways in the example I just gave was this water intrusion or changing of grading. Let's say your neighbor redoes their backyard, new landscaping, new hardscape, all this, and they get approved by the HOA. Okay, they get all the approvals we're supposed to have. They get the proper permits, but in doing their whatever improvements they made, the direction of water flowed in a different direction, okay, than it used to. And now, for example, water starts flowing from their yard into your yard, okay? And it's not the natural flow of the land, because remember, they changed the land itself.
Right.
Because if it was the natural flow of a natural piece of land, it's never a trespass. But if they've changed the grading from what it was to something new, and that redirects the flow of water, then that is a trespass. And that could cause a lot of damage. We see
Absolutely.
a lot of situations where people start getting leaks on their foundation or under the weep screed, and it starts to go into the